Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Farid Anfasa, and my program study is English Education in Pekalongan University. And I will explain about my article. The title is Analysis of Students and Error on Writing Conditional Sentence. Okay, and this is my article.
Introduction. Conditional sentences are important to use because consciously or unconsciously people often use this sentence in everyday life to dream, imagine, and hope. Conditional sentence has three types that have different with each other. The encountered error in writing conditional sentence. Hididulai classified for error are very often made by the learners. Number one is omission, addition, misinformation, and misordering. Brown defined error into several causes: interlingual transfer, context of learning, and communication strategies. Error analysis to investigate students' ability in writing conditional sentence. The aim of research, number one, is to know the types of error that students commonly make in writing conditional sentence. Number two, to know the cause of their error in writing conditional sentence. Research design, the type of research is descriptive qualitative. Data collection technique is test and interview. Sample of the research are 26 students of second semester of English Department of Pekalongan University in academic year of 2021 until 2022. Data analysis technique is data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing or verifying. Finding and discussion, the types of error that students commonly make in writing conditional sentence. Omission, for example, is the students so many write. For example, if you want to be healthy, eat vegetables and fruit. The correct sentence is, if you want to be healthy, you should eat vegetables and fruit. Okay, next is addition. For example, is I will finish the project if you coming now. The correct sentence, I will finish the project if you come now. Okay, there are come in there. Okay, next is misinformation. For example, if you had sent me a money, I would have bought a car. The correct sentence is, if you had sent me a money, I would have bought a car. Okay, next is misordering. For example, if you had the answer, would you tell me? The correct sentence is, if you had the answer, you would told me. Okay. The next is finding and discussion. The cause of students' error in writing conditional sentence. Interlingual transfer. Error may occur because a person's mother tongue will be easier to learn than other language. Conditional sentences are part of sentence in English, which are foreign language for students, so they are difficult to learn, and error occur in writing conditional sentence. Intralingual transfer. Error may occur because even though someone knows some knowledge, but the person doesn't know it as a whole or in depth when the students writing conditional sentence. They must know the form of the verb, and the sentence formula itself is very much needed so that makes in writing to not occur again. Okay, the next is learning context. Error may happen because the material being studied is indeed complicated. It is known that a writing conditional sentence has an increasingly complex level of complexity from the types 1, types 2, and types 3 conditional sentence formula. They have complexities that are increasingly difficult to understand, so error in writing conditional sentence often occur because of this cause. Okay, next is finding and discussion. The error in writing type 1 conditional sentence with omission error are 360.84%. Addition is 10.52%. Misinformation is 36.84%, and misordering is 15.80%. Then the error in writing type 2 conditional sentence with omission and addition types is 0%. Misinformation is 98.27%, and misordering is 1.7330%. Then the error in writing type 3 conditional sentence with addition and misordering types is 0%. Misinformation is 98.46%, and omission is 1.54%. It can be concluded that the average error often occurs in misinformation error. The cause of students' error in writing conditional sentence was caused by three things, namely intralingual transfer, and learning context. And finally is conclusion. Number 1 is error in writing conditional sentence often occur the type of surface strategy taxonomy error, namely error due to misinformation. It is known that sentence writing error due to misinformation reach a percentage of 36.84% when writing type 1 conditional sentence, 98.27% when writing type 2 conditional sentence, and 98.46% when writing type 3 conditional sentence. It can be concluded that the average error often occurs due to misinformation error. Number 2, the cause of students' error in writing conditional sentence is caused by three things, namely intralingual transfer, and learning context. It was concluded that the cause of this was mainly due to a person's lack of ability to understand his or her own ability to study the learning context. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.